In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates to cards and track deadlines on your project management board. Whether you're managing a personal project or coordinating a team effort, keeping track of deadlines effectively is crucial for success. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into this simple process together. First, we'll head over to your project board. You can do this by navigating to your board's URL or by selecting it from your dashboard. Think of your project board as the control center for all your tasks. It's here where you'll be managing everything, so get comfortable with the layout. Once you've arrived at the board, your next step is to select the specific card you want to set a deadline for. These cards can represent tasks, actions, or any project component that requires attention. Simply click on the card. It will open up, revealing additional details and settings where you can manage your task more effectively. Now, scan the icons available within the card and locate the dates icon. This is the crucial link that will allow you to configure the timeline for your task. Click on Dates, and it will bring up a dialog where you can start setting precise timings. In this dialog, begin by checking the box that says Start Date. Choosing a start date helps you contextualize your task within the project timeline, ensuring you know not only when it is due, but when work is scheduled to begin. Use the calendar interface to select the appropriate start date. Next, it's time to set the due date for the card. Again, using the calendar option, pick the optimal date by which you aim to complete the task. Setting a due date not only helps you keep track of the timeline, but also ensures everyone involved knows the expected completion schedule. Once your dates are in place, you have the opportunity to set a due date reminder. This is a fantastic feature because it allows you to receive a notification before the task is due, keeping you ahead of deadlines and reducing the chances of last-minute stress. Decide how far in advance you'd like to be reminded, whether it's a few hours or several days. Finally, be sure to click Save. It's a simple step but crucial. If you forget to hit save, all your careful deadline planning efforts will go unrecorded. So, confirm everything by closing the card and returning to your board. And there you have it, a clear and concise method to add due dates to your cards and effectively track deadlines. With this process in your skill set, managing projects and staying on top of your responsibilities will be seamless. As you continue to use this system, you'll grow more adept in scheduling and tracking, bringing more